Well, good day. So I forgot to turn on the camera, and you know I'm working on this, and I got some help. I got Taylor. Taylor came in. Abby, she's managing us.
Yeah, shop supervisor.
Yeah. But there it is. It's out. Okay. Now just gotta put a new one back in. Okay. So both sides have bolts that are broken. I'm going to start with the okay. Gonna have to weld the nut on there. See if we can get that to work. Let's get some get a ground on there. It should ground through this. I hope so. All right, so I apologize. I have not been recording very much, and yeah. Anyways, it's just an engine replacement. So I got it in there. You can see yesterday that I had to extract all the bolts from the heads. Some of them were broken right at the head, so I had to weld a nut on it. You saw that. But then forgot to turn the camera back on, and it went in. It actually went in pretty quick. Boom, done. It's all bolted up on the back. Transmission's bolted in. Gotta do the torque converter bolts and everything up top, and should be ready to go. Shouldn't be that hard, so we're almost there. Okay, tell me if you've done this before. I got the intake completely back on, and then I realized the two ground wires that go on the back of the heads, forgot to put them on. Now, I got my hands all bent up, but hey, got them on. That's what counts. Okay, we're almost there. Look at this. Taylor's working away. Me, I'm not doing anything. I'm just handing them the wrong parts at the wrong time.
That's okay, we'll get there.
Yeah. So we got all of this in. So we are getting so close. Oil is in the engine. We decided that we'd put that in right away before we forgot and tried to start it. And, you know, it's just been one of those days. So anyways, we're going to continue on. Okay, so we'll get it all together. We haven't put any coolant in. We're just going to see if it fires up nicely. Taylor's going to see what it does. Wipers work. That's the noise. What's going on?
I don't know, we got oil.
Okay, so yeah, we got it running. Runs really nice. There's no misfire. There's still a tick. This is a different engine. This is the engine out of the buggy, and yeah, the buggy had an exhaust leak, but it ran really good. And maybe I didn't hear the exhaust or the lifter kick because the exhaust was so loud. Should have heard it though, which kind of makes me wonder. I don't know. So, okay, guess what? We got the ram done. It's out of the shop. Yeah, it's still got a little bit of a tick. I put some Lucas oil treatment in it to see if I can clear that up. I don't think it is going to clear up, but this is my plan. The plan is to get the engine, this one here, you see this Hemi, it is going to get completely rebuilt and it'll go back in there. And then that one will come out. Yeah, I know, big hassle, but whatever, it is what it is. That one will come back out, get rebuilt, and go into this one. Yeah, that'll be a good one. Okay, so last week we did some wrapping to my Jeep, and this week we are finishing the Ram and trying to get my Jeep ready to go on this trip. So you have not seen the Jeep. Here's the reveal. Okay, I know that this video is all over the place, but I hope you guys bear with me because the next few videos should be pretty darn good. But here it is, look at it. It's in the shop, doing an oil change to it right now. Had to do the brakes to it. And that's our logo. Look at that. Very nice. All done up. She looks pretty, huh? Pretty freaking awesome. What do you think of this black hood? We went with a black hood. I just wanted something different. And I thought it looked cool. I think I like it. But look at all the interior is done. Oh, forgot to take the tape off. Should probably do that. And yeah, it's looking good. So here we are. Okay, so I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but I hope you guys like it. Just bear with me. And we're gonna get some really cool little stuff going on with this. This Jeep will be worked on. Oh, let's hold on. I'll show you. This Dakota we're going to be working on. And the beast is going to have to sit there for a little bit. I really want to work on this. So as soon as I get back from this trip, we are going hard on it. You guys want to help me out? I'm trying to decide. Do I want to keep this with the original Dakota box on it? Or do we want to buggy frame it? You know, like a deck and roll cage and everything up like that. Let me know in the comments. And whatever I get the most of, that's what I'll go with. Man, but that canopy is not going on it. It's pretty rough. All right. Okay. Anyways, I think that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this kind of scrambled mayhem stuff that I've been doing. I'll be a little bit more organized over the next couple of weeks. I'll get more organized over the next couple of weeks because I'm gonna go kind of relax, do a bit of a trip, and enjoy some life. So follow me along. Here we go.